Darts game. Now let's make these darts and dartboard. We will require a sharp needle, any old photo negatives, thread, matchsticks without the carbon. For each dart we require 4 sticks. To start off, take 2 matchsticks. Now take a needle and insert it between these 2 matchsticks like this. The sharp end of the needle has to come out like this. Now tie it very tightly using a thread. Be careful while tying, otherwise you may get hurt with the needle. Now take 2 more matchsticks and keep them above like this. The needle has to be placed properly, otherwise it may come out. Now tie all of them together with the thread. Tie it really hard. Finally, just stick the end of the thread so that it does not open. It will look like this. Now take any old negative and cut them into a shape like this. Now fold this negative and insert it inside the 4 matchsticks. You have to insert it inside this gap like this. Similarly, fold and insert the other negative in the opposite direction like this. So our dart is ready. Make at least 4 to 5 darts so that you can play along with your friends. Now, to make the dartboard, cut the cardboard into a circular shape like this. You will also need thermocol, watercolors and brush. On this round cardboard, start drawing circles. You can use a compass if you want. See, like this, you have to draw the circles so that we can color them separately. Now, take watercolors and paint the circles with different colors. Use bright colors so that the dartboard looks very attractive. After coloring these circles with different colors, use glitters to make the outlines prominent. Similarly, decorate the outlines of all the circles. You will have to cut the thermocol into a circular shape as the dartboard and stick it at the back for support. And now, using a sketch pen, write the points on the different color zones, for example, 20 to 100. Let's see if we can hit the target. Go ahead and make one for you.